Have you ever noticed that your clothes don't smell as fresh after washing? Or maybe there's a musty odor coming from your washing machine. That's because over time, detergent residue, fabric softener buildup, and even mold and bacteria accumulate inside the drum. This makes your washing machine less effective and your laundry not as clean as it should be. But don't worry, you don't need expensive store-bought cleaners. There's a simple, natural, and highly effective way to clean your washing machine drum using household ingredients. Before we jump into the best natural cleaning method, take a moment to subscribe. Like this video if you love clean, fresh-smelling clothes. Comment below, when was the last time you cleaned your washing machine? Now, let's get rid of that hidden dirt, bacteria, and musty smell once and for all. Many people assume washing machines clean themselves while washing clothes, but that's not true. Over time, the combination of detergent, fabric softener, and hard water creates buildup inside the drum, hoses, and rubber seals. Signs your washing machine needs cleaning: a foul odor inside the drum, black spots or mold around the rubber seal, soap scum and mineral deposits on the drum walls. Clothes don't smell fresh after washing. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's time for a deep clean. Here's the perfect natural cleaning solution using common household ingredients. Baking soda, half a cup, neutralizes odors, breaks down grime, and removes detergent residue. White vinegar, 2 cups, dissolves mineral buildup, kills bacteria, and disinfects the drum naturally. Lemon juice, half a cup, cuts through grease, breaks down lime scale, and leaves a fresh citrus scent. Hydrogen peroxide, half a cup, optional for deep cleaning, kills mold, removes stubborn stains, and disinfects. Hot water, 1 full wash cycle, loosens grime, soap buildup, and bacteria for a thorough clean. Step 1. Add baking soda. Sprinkle half a cup of baking soda directly into the drum of your washing machine. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to start breaking down dirt and odors. Step 2. Pour vinegar and lemon juice. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar and half a cup of lemon juice into the detergent compartment. These ingredients will disinfect, deodorize, and dissolve soap scum. Step 3. Run a hot water cycle. Select the longest, hottest wash cycle and let the machine run empty. The hot water helps dissolve grime and bacteria, while the vinegar and lemon juice clean every corner of the drum. Wipe the drum and rubber seal. Once the cycle is complete, take a clean cloth and wipe the inside of the drum. Focus on the rubber seal. This is where mold and bacteria hide the most. If needed, spray some hydrogen peroxide on a cloth and scrub away any stubborn stains. For top-loading machines, after the cycle, leave the lid open for a few hours to let the machine air out completely. For front-loading machines, make sure to wipe around the rubber door seal, where mold and mildew tend to build up. For stubborn stains and mold, mix baking soda and vinegar into a paste and scrub any problem areas. For hard water buildup, add 1 cup of vinegar once a month to prevent mineral deposits from forming. Quick maintenance: once a month, run a vinegar rinse cycle to keep odors away. Deep cleaning: every 2 to 3 months using the full baking soda and vinegar method. Rubber seal and detergent tray. Wipe down every 2 weeks to prevent mildew buildup. Tip 1. Use less detergent. Too much causes buildup inside the drum. Tip 2. Leave the door open after every wash to prevent mold. Tip 3. Wipe down the rubber seal and detergent tray regularly. And that's it. Now you know how to naturally deep clean your washing machine without using harsh chemicals. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cleaning hacks. Comment below, when was the last time you cleaned your washing machine? Let me know. Now go grab your baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice and make your washing machine fresh and spotless again.